Okie dokie, folky folky. So, how are you today? Hope you're great. Today we're going to do a little function and we're going to do a for loop. We're going to do a nested for loop. So, without further ado, let's kick start. Okay, define my function. Okay, my function here. Right, we're going to create a list called man. And in this list, we're going to put things like small, fat, let's have a look, short. Okay, that should do. Okay, right, and now we're going to do some attributes. So height. So, height. Let's have a look. Let's some stuff in here. Height is equal to, let's have a look. Height is equal to tall, medium, let's say very tall, very tall. Okay, so we'll just close off that there. And now this is where we're going to start the for loop. So I'm going to start it off for M in man. Okay, and then I'm going to go for H in height. For H in height. Okay. If M is equal, oh dear. So look there, if M is equal to, let's say, short, if M is equal to short, break, that means we will break out of the loop. And then we're going to print here MH. Okay, and now we are going to call the function. So we're going to call it my function. Okay, so here we go. Before oh dear. Before we do that, we're just going to save it, of course. So just save that, and now we're going to click run. Oh, invalid syntax. Oh, yes. There we go. Right, let's save it again. And take 2. So let's run it. There we go. Small, tall, small, medium, small, very tall, fat, medium, fat, very tall. So we've just looped through both of these, and we printed out these words here. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It will help me out, and I will catch you in another video. Bye.